Justin Pipe ran the gauntlet of a ferociously hostile crowd at Alexandra Palace, and then bared his soul to deny he is a cheat. Pipe was thrashed 4-0 by Phil Taylor in the second round at the William Hill PTC World Championship, booed from the moment he entered the arena. Fans sent him into the night with a chorus of "You're not coughing anymore," a reference to the controversy of Pipe's first-round win over New Zealand qualifier Bernie Smith. TV replays appeared to show Pipe moving in and coughing deliberately as Christchurch plasterer Smith, 53, threw for the match. Sky Sports pundit Wayne Mardle branded Pipe's conduct despicable, but the former Taunton tree surgeon broke cover after his annihilation by Taylor to protest his innocence. Pipe said, "It's been very hard and I've tried to keep my mouth shut. I've been verbally attacked and abused, and my family has suffered as well. Wayne Mardle is bang out of order. It's totally wrong. You don't jump to the conclusion that somebody has heard something when they haven't. I held that cough back, I didn't hide my body movements, I held it back." Wayne Mardle could not wait to jump on that, and he is bang out of order. "It looks awful, 100%, and I said to my wife and children it looks awful, but there are microphones on stage and there was no noise. Nobody heard anything. I have been playing darts on TV for 10 years now and I know where the cameras are. It's not going to bother me going forward. I am going to go on Twitter, a tool for hatred. The haters will hate, but I will post the pictures of Bernie's message to me, saying, 'I didn't hear anything, bro.' I want my family, genuine fans and the PTC to know I did nothing wrong. That is all that matters to me." Despite his impassioned defense, Pipe has been referred to the Darts Regulation Authority by the Professional Darts Corporation.